Happy New Year. Beautiful warm day. Let's go for a quick ride. Nice.
I wanted to see if it could hear me next time.
You can't make it up. You cannot make it up. Well, they said it was going to be a windy day, and they weren't lying. But you know what? It's still relatively warm, and it's the perfect day to get that first ride of 2025 in. Crispy Pizza down that way. That'll be one of our stops. Get their pestoroni. Not today. This is just a quick ride. And with that, first ride of 2025 is in the books. That's it, 2025. 2000's officially 25 years ago.